In this question, it says 2 points A and B have coordinates 3a negative a and negative a 2a respectively, where a is a positive constant. Find the equation of the line through the origin parallel to AB. Now, parallel lines have the same gradient. Alright, and note another point, which is that points on the same line also have the same gradient, right? Now they have told us that the equation, to find the equation of the line through the origin and parallel to AB. Now for finding the equation of the line, we need to have one point on the line, which we already have, just origin 0 0, origin O 0 0, and the gradient of the line, and we don't have the gradient of the line. But the gradient of the line which is passing through the origin parallel to AB, that gradient of that line will be equal to the gradient of AB. So let's find the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB. A is 3a negative a, B is negative a 2a. Let's take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So we get y2 minus y1 negative a negative 2a over x2 minus x1 negative a negative 3. Right, so this becomes negative 3a over negative 4a. Right, this was y2 minus y1. Right. So this will give us this a cancelled out, and so will this negative sign. So gradient of AB is 3 by 4. Alright, so this is the gradient of AB. Now finding the equation of the line which is passing through the origin. So the formula for finding the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So the point is O origin and gradient is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 x minus 0 y minus 0. So y equals to 3 by 4x. So this is the equation of the line which is parallel to AB and passing through the origin. Now moving on to part 2, it says to find the length of the line AB. They say the length of the line is AB is 1 by 3 units. Find the value of A. Alright, so the formula for finding the length of a line is length of, let's say, AB. AB is a line right now. It was y2 minus y1 whole squared plus x2 minus x1 whole squared. And this formula was derived from Pythagoras theorem, which I have explained in the lecture in one of the lectures of this topic. So y2 minus y1 whole squared plus x2 minus x1 whole squared. Our one of the points is 3a negative a. The other point is negative a 2a. Let's take it as x1 y1, x2 y2. Alright, so I'm just going to plug in the values. y2 minus y1 plus x2 minus x1. This will give us 3a squared, 9a squared plus negative 4a whole squared. That will become positive 16a whole squared. If I take this under root, I will get negative 25a squared, which is equal to 5a. Right? Now we know that the length was 1 by 3 units. So 1 by 3 was equal to 5a. So this becomes 10 by 3 equals to 5a. We get a equals to 10 by 15. If we reduce this up, this will give us a equals to 2 by 3. Alright.